Welcome to the world of capybaras, the gentle giants of South America's wetlands. Join us as we explore their serene lifestyle, unique adaptations, and the lessons they offer in peaceful coexistence. When you think of rodents, you might picture a mouse or a squirrel, small creatures scurrying about in search of food, often seen as pests in urban environments. But capybaras break the mold. These gentle giants stand out in the rodent family, not just for their size but for their unique behaviors and social structures. Meet Hydrochaeris hydrochaeris, the world's largest rodent, a true heavyweight among its kind. Weighing up to 150 pounds, they are a far cry from the tiny mice and squirrels we commonly associate with rodents. Unlike their smaller cousins, capybaras are more closely related to guinea pigs, yet they dwarf them in size. Imagine a guinea pig the size of a large dog, and you get a sense of the capybara's impressive stature. Their impressive bulk is key to their survival, shaping how they move, eat, and interact with their environment. They graze on grasses and aquatic plants, using their size to access food sources that smaller rodents cannot. For millions of years, their size has been their greatest adaptation, allowing them to thrive in South America's wetlands. These environments provide the perfect habitat, with abundant water and vegetation to support their large bodies. Watching a capybara move with calm dignity, you sense the ancient lineage behind those steady eyes. Their movements are deliberate and unhurried, a testament to their well-adapted lifestyle. They are a living monument to adaptation, perfectly at home in their watery world. Their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers, and they can stay submerged for several minutes to avoid predators. Let's discover how being the world's largest rodent defines every aspect of their remarkable lives. From their social interactions to their feeding habits, the capybara's size influences everything they do. Capybaras are truly giants among rodents, and their size often surprises people who see them for the first time. These remarkable animals can reach up to 1.3 meters in length, about the size of a large dog or even a small child. When you stand next to a capybara, you realize just how impressive their scale really is. Not only are they long, but they can also weigh as much as 70 kilograms, heavier than many household pets and even some wild animals. Their robust build and solid frame make them one of the heaviest rodents in the world, second only to the beaver in North America. Their barrel-shaped bodies and sturdy muscular legs are perfectly adapted for a semi-aquatic lifestyle. Capybaras are surprisingly agile, able to move quickly on land and glide effortlessly through water. Their webbed feet help them swim, while their low center of gravity keeps them stable as they graze or run. This impressive size isn't just for show, it's a crucial survival tool. Their bulk helps them fend off predators like jaguars and caimans, and it also allows them to maintain a steady body temperature during long, chilly swims in rivers and wetlands. To support such growth, capybaras rely on a diet rich in grasses and aquatic plants. They spend hours each day grazing along riverbanks and wetlands, constantly fueling their large bodies with fibrous vegetation. The water not only provides food but also supports their weight, making it easier for them to move and rest. Buoyancy in the water relieves pressure on their joints and allows them to float or swim with minimal effort. Capybaras are a striking example of how a stable environment and abundant food can lead to evolutionary gigantism. In the lush wetlands of South America, their size is an advantage, helping them thrive in a world full of both opportunity and danger. Watching a herd graze peacefully, you can see how their impressive size fits perfectly into their wild green home. Their calm demeanor and social nature make them a unique presence in the animal kingdom. Their bulk is more than just a physical trait, it's a badge of evolutionary success, a testament to their ability to adapt and flourish in the diverse landscapes of the South American wilderness. The capybara's coat is long, coarse, and sparse, perfect for a life spent in and out of water. Its reddish-brown color blends with muddy riverbanks, while a lighter underbelly provides camouflage in water. Unlike many mammals, capybaras lack a dense undercoat, so their fur dries quickly after a swim. This adaptation prevents skin problems and helps regulate body temperature in humid climates. Their coat is a practical solution, balancing camouflage and the demands of a semi-aquatic life. Evolution has shaped even the texture of their hair for survival. Every detail of their fur tells a story of adaptation to their watery world. Capybara's eyes, ears, and nostrils are perched high on their heads, a perfect periscope for aquatic living. This allows them to stay mostly submerged, watching for danger while remaining nearly invisible. With just the top of their head above water, they can see, hear, and breathe, evading predators like jaguars. Their small, rounded ears and wide-set eyes provide a 360-degree view from the safety of the water. This head design is a hallmark of semi-aquatic animals, from hippos to crocodiles. For capybaras, it's the key to a life of calm vigilance. Their head is a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering. Capybaras are found across Central and South America, from Panama to Argentina, always near water. They thrive in wetlands, rivers, lakes and marshes where water and grass are abundant. These habitats offer refuge from predators and a steady supply of food. During dry seasons, capybaras gather in large groups around shrinking water sources. In wet seasons, they spread out. Their presence signals a healthy wetland ecosystem as they help manage vegetation and serve as prey for larger animals. Capybaras are creatures of the edge, living where land meets water. They are an essential part of South America's rich wildlife tapestry. Capybaras are natural swimmers, gliding through water with webbed feet that act like paddles. Water is their sanctuary, cooling them on hot days and offering escape from predators. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes, disappearing underwater to avoid danger. Some even sleep in the water, resting their noses just above the surface. From birth, capybara pups are introduced to swimming, quickly mastering their aquatic world. Their comfort in water is unmatched among rodents. For capybaras, water is home, playground and refuge. Their aquatic skills are central to their survival. Capybaras are dedicated grazers, spending hours each day feeding on grasses near water. They're surprisingly selective, choosing only the most nutritious plants when food is plentiful. In dry seasons, they expand their diet to include aquatic plants, fruits, and even tree bark. Their digestive system is highly efficient. They practice coprophagy, eating their own fecal pellets to extract extra nutrients. This strategy allows them to thrive on tough, fibrous diets that few other animals can handle. Their entire day revolves around grazing and digestion. Capybaras are masters at turning simple grass into energy. Capybaras are deeply social creatures, thriving in close-knit family groups that typically range from 10 to 20 individuals. These groups are led by a dominant male, who keeps watch and maintains order, ensuring the safety and harmony of the group. Within these families, every member has a role, from playful juveniles to nurturing mothers, all contributing to the group's well-being. Group life is harmonious, with constant communication through a rich variety of sounds, barks, whistles, and purrs. These vocalizations help capybaras express everything from alarm to affection, keeping the group connected and alert to any changes in their environment. They reinforce bonds by resting in communal piles, snuggling close to share warmth, comfort, and a sense of security. This close contact is essential for building trust and maintaining strong social ties within the group. Capybaras are famously tolerant, often sharing their space with a surprising variety of other animals. Birds perch on their backs, monkeys forage nearby, and even turtles and caimans can be found in their company, all coexisting peacefully. During the dry season, when water becomes scarce, smaller groups often merge, forming massive herds of up to 100 capybaras. These gatherings help them adapt to changing conditions, offering greater protection and access to resources. Their remarkable social flexibility allows them to thrive in a range of environments, from dense forests to open wetlands, always adapting their group size and structure to suit the situation. Whether living in small, intimate families or vast, bustling herds, capybaras find strength, safety, and companionship in numbers. Their gentle nature and openness to other species make capybaras nature's ultimate neighbors, embodying the spirit of peaceful coexistence in the animal kingdom. Capybaras are currently listed as a species of least concern, thanks to their wide range and adaptability. However, they face threats from hunting, habitat loss, and conflicts with farmers. Wetlands are being converted for agriculture, shrinking their habitat and isolating populations. In some areas, overhunting for meat and leather has caused local declines. Pollution and water contamination also threaten their survival. Their well-being reflects the health of South America's freshwater ecosystems. Protecting capybaras means preserving vital wetlands and the biodiversity they support. Their story is a reminder of the delicate balance between wildlife and human activity. Capybaras may look slow, but they can sprint up to 35 kilometers per hour when threatened. Their webbed feet help them swim and walk on muddy banks without sinking. Like all rodents, their incisors never stop growing. They must constantly gnaw to keep them in check. Their ability to sleep in water with just their nose above the surface is a unique adaptation. Capybara's calm nature makes them a living island of tranquility in their ecosystem. Their peaceful presence benefits many other species. These gentle giants are full of surprises, from their speed to their clever adaptations. Our journey with the capybara ends here, but their story continues in the wetlands of South America. They are symbols of tranquility, masters of adaptation, and champions of social harmony. Capybaras remind us that greatness can be found in gentleness and cooperation. Share your favorite capybara fact in the comments, and subscribe for more amazing animal stories. Thanks for watching. Join us next time as we explore the skies with the magnificent Andean condor.